In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase iCloud storage by upgrading your iCloud storage plan. If you've ever found yourself running out of space on iCloud and wondering what to do next, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process together, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to easily enhance your iCloud storage capacity. First, take your device and head straight to the Settings app. It's the one that looks like a grey cog and is likely on your home screen or in your app library. Once you're inside Settings, look for your name at the top of the menu. This is your Apple ID banner. Tapping on your name will take you into your Apple ID settings, where you'll be able to access your iCloud settings among other options. Inside the Apple ID menu, look for the iCloud option and tap on it. This is where all your iCloud details are stored and where you can manage your cloud storage. Once you're in the iCloud settings, you should see Manage Storage or iCloud Plus. Depending on the version of iOS you are using, one of these options will appear. Tap on Manage Storage or iCloud Plus and you'll be directed to a page showing your current storage usage. Here you'll see the option to buy more storage or change storage plan. Tap on this option to view the different storage plans available to you. Apple offers various tiers of storage, so you can choose the option that best fits your needs. Whether you're looking for a modest upgrade to 50GB, a more substantial increase to 200GB, or even a 2TB plan for those who need a lot of storage space, there are choices suitable for every user. After deciding your desired plan, simply tap on it to select it. Increasing your storage is an effective way to ensure that you have plenty of room for your photos, documents, app data, and more. The next step is to confirm your selection with your Apple ID. You'll be prompted to sign in, so make sure you have your Apple ID password handy. This step is crucial as it confirms and authorizes your upgrade with Apple. Finally, once you confirm your Apple ID, tap on Buy to finalize your decision. At this point, depending on your device, you might need to authenticate the purchase. You can do this using Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your password. And that wraps up the process. You have successfully upgraded your iCloud storage plan. Now you can enjoy more space for your files and have peace of mind knowing you've accommodated your data storage needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.